In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mend a hole in a pair of jeans, usually caused by the legs rubbing together. Now, this isn't going to permanently fix it, but it'll make the pants wearable for a little bit longer. We're going to start with some iron-on denim patches. You can find these at a lot of craft stores, and you can also cut them to size if need be, and ideally you would be matching the color to your pants, but I don't have one in black, so I'm going to go with a darker blue. Making sure that your pants are nice and clean, we're going to open them up so that the hole is flat, and we're going to position the patch over the hole and iron it down. Sew along the outer edge of the patch using a zigzag style stitch so that you are alternating stitching through the fabric and the patch. You can do this either by hand or by sewing machine. I also added some additional stitches to reinforce where the tear is, and that will also help keep the patch from showing through since it was a different color from my fabric. Personally, I find it a bit easier if the patch is going up against one of the seams of the pants. This just gives a little bit more stable fabric for the patch to attach to. And also, the reason why we're sewing around it, even though we already ironed it on, is because the whole reason for the hole in the pants is because of friction. And if you don't sew the edges around and just iron it on, the friction is going to cause the patch to come off. Like I said, this isn't going to be a permanent fix for the pants, but it will extend their lifespan a little bit longer. I hope you found this video helpful.